Hey guys, welcome to... My nose was itching. Welcome to part 4 of the Bronze Seduction Mothership 5 Patty Mcgrath palette. So today I thought I would switch things up and actually do a lip look using the palette. The formulas are super creamy, especially the glitters, that I thought you could actually do a really cool, like, you know, intricate lip look with this. So that's what I'm going to be attempting today as a base, because I'm not just going to apply the shadows by themselves to my lip. As a base, I'm using Buff Matte Lipstick by Anastasia. Pretty neutral, so it's not too much. You don't have to start with the base. My lips are really dry, that's why I'm starting with the neutral base first. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, as you know, so I'm gonna zoom in and then we'll just see where we get. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by applying the lipstick. And somehow I already have glitter on my mouth. I am gonna clean this later. There's nothing like the feeling of breaking in a new lipstick. And if you're one of the haters like saying my lips are dry, I actually hydrated them before doing this video, so it's really hard for me to keep them hydrated, but I try my best. Okay, I had to go find this brush because there's no other better brush to use for looks like this than this Kat Von D dual-sided eyeshadow brush. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna diffuse the entire edge by using Skin Fetish, or actually SKINSHOW Divine Glow. I keep saying Skin Fetish, I don't know why. Starting on the Cupid's bow, moving my way outwards. And you may be wondering, Victor, you didn't shave for the look because you're doing a lip look. I don't have to shave because I am a body hair positive individual and I am proud of my body hair. Okay, so that's what we have so far. There's a little SKINSHOW, and I'm gonna use Entrapment, which is the lightest matte brown. Just in the middle of the lip, and I'm gonna like kind of create a gradient. Don't be too worried if you have lips like mine where it's all dry and it brings you concern, because once you put the glitter on, you're not even gonna see it. Like, you're not even gonna be able to see that. Okay. And whatever is left in the brush, I'm gonna use it on the Cupid's bow. And under here. Now I'm gonna use DISOBEDIENT, which is the darkest color. And just putting it on the inside and blending it outwards lightly. And to bring even more draw, I'm gonna put DISOBEDIENT again with the liner side of the brush. And I'm just really banking on that color. And then to add a little depth, I'm gonna use Extreme Aubergine just on the very middle of the lip. It's coming out pretty. I'm gonna use a liney brush just to kind of define the edges on the inside a little bit. There you go. Once you get to this portion, we're gonna use Guilty Pleasure, which is a brown glaze type of shimmer shadow, just to kind of blend the lips together a little bit. And you really don't want the lip line to be defined at all. You kind of want it to be this nice, smooth, blending, shadowy looking lip. Now we're gonna use Rose Gold 005 to give it the final blend and shimmer. There we go, and then to add a final touch, I'm gonna use VR Fire Opal to add a little pink just to the middle and the top. The glitter, as you can see, I just applied to the top part of the lip and the bottom part of the lip. Okay, and there it is. This looks very sick. Like, I'm actually impressed with how it came out. Let me zoom out, I'll give you some final thoughts. Hope you guys enjoyed part 4 of my Pat Mcgrath Bronze Seduction Mothership 5 palette Let's Play video. This time we did lips, and I am super proud that we did because it came out it looks really cool. Like, very editorial. It's all dark in the middle and then it's like shiny and bright outside. I'm very happy with the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that instead of putting it on my eyes, I did it on my lips this time. If you have any comments or section, you can put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. You can ring the bell button so you're notified, when I have a new video. And don't forget to like and share the video. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.